Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create product category page in WooCommerce Elementor. It's a step-by-step tutorial if you follow every single step, so let's get started. First of all, for this tutorial, we are going to use a plugin. On the left side of the menu, find plugins, and under that we have add new plugin. Once you click on that, it will take you right over here, and on the right side, as you can see search plugins, we are going to search for Elementor. So that's what I'm going to search over here, shop lantern. And once you search that, it might take some time to load up depending on your internet connection, and you will end up over here. On the left side, we have this one, which is going to be shop lantern. And this is used to called Woo lantern. If you have already that, which is good. And if not, search for shop lantern and you will see this one. You might search for Woo lantern and it will come up maybe in the third or second option. But if you search for obviously shop lantern, this will show up. And this is the one which we are going to use. At the bottom, you will see that at least 100,000 plus active installations are there. So this is one of the best out there. It should be on your WordPress website. So this is what I'm going to install right now, and make sure to activate it as well. Let's wait for a while until it's installing, and click on activate after that. And let's wait for a while as well. So once you install an application which we needed and activate it, go to the left side of the menu. Under WooCommerce, you will find product. Under product, you will find categories. Obviously, if we are going to create a product category page, we need to create categories first of all. So click on categories and it would take you right over here. These categories has been made by the theme which I have already installed, and this is the theme which I am using right now. I'm going to open this up, and here you can see this is the theme which I'm using, as you can see over here. And it has these products over here, which is men and women, and it has been categorized itself. Obviously you can view it by clicking on over here. So I'm going to view both of them, and on the right side you will see the count. That means how many products are there in this category. So men has 14, women has 17 categories. Let's go to women right now, and you can see the all women category products over here. And this is the category for women. So just remember that we have the men over here. So this is the website which has been created by itself through WordPress theme, which is going to be extra, and I use that. So this is how you can create your own category. And if you want to create a new category, on the left side you just need to name that. Make sure to add it's like a URL friendly version name, so you can just name anything over here. We have parent category, like if that is a parent category for men or women, so you can also go for that. If none, just leave it as it is. Add the description, display type, products, subcategories, or both, and the thumbnail if you want to add these thumbnails as well, and click on add new. This will be added over here as well. So this is how you are going to add category. Now once it's all of done, go to this page again, and at the top we have new, and under new we have page. Just click on this option and let's wait for a while because we are going to create a page now. We have installed an application, we have done the categories now, and now we are going to create a page. This is where we are going to work on. And you can name here as well, but I'm just going to click on edit with Elementor, and it will take us obviously where we can edit with Elementor and very efficiently. So once you are here, you can see that I am looking at my theme over here, but there is nothing on my website. So we are going to start from the scratch. Let's create a banner image right over here first of all. So I'm going to create a section over here, and on the left side we have background type. I can add background over here as well. So I'm going to add a background, click on classic, and here we have image. Just click on choose image, and you will see all the media library over here. So I'm going with the very random one over here. You can go ahead and choose obviously the one you are looking for. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this one, or you can say this one, and click on select. Once I select that, you can see that we have that image over here. We can obviously expand this as well if I want to. And on the left side of the menu, click on layout, and I'm gonna set the width of the content because we can easily enter the content here as well. And obviously you can set the height from here as well. And now I'm going to enter over here the text, which I can add that here as well. And you can add and write anything over here. I'm just going to write merchandise for this tutorial. And once you do that, obviously change the uh, text font over here. So I'm just gonna change it to, you know, blue, or you can change it to white as well. We have alignment, obviously. We have the sizing, obviously. We have a lot of stuff which you can do over here as well. So as you can see, I have created my banner over here. Now we are going to use that application which we recently installed. So let's do that. Just click on this option over here, and you are going to search for Universal. And once you search for Universal, you will see these four over here. The first one is going to be from that application as well, the Woolenter, which we recently installed. So you can just click and drag that over here in the new section. Once you add that, you will see that over here all the products. On the left side of the menu, we have a lot of properties related to that. So we are going to work on this as well. So I'm going to click on, first of all, query settings. And under query settings, you will see filter by recent products, and we have featured products, sale products. We have a lot of products over here, but we have something else as well, which is going to be product categories. This is where you can select your product categories. And I'm going to select men over there, and you will see the men categories over here. And we can obviously add category for women, obviously over here. So both categories are over here. You can see we have women also here. We have men category also over here. And we can obviously go ahead and start working on it. We can start the limit, how many limit you can see over here. So I'm going to increase it to 6 over here. And let's see how it's going to look like. You can see over here, we have 6 products from each category over here. And now what we are going to do, we are going to play around with some settings of this section. On the left side, we have exclude out of stock item. We have exclude hidden items. So obviously you can go ahead and click on yes if you want to. We have custom order. If you want to click on that, you can also do that. So let's go back to the layout settings, and the first thing you will see layout, and this is default. If you open this up, you will see the tab and slider over here. If you click on slider, obviously this will end it up in a slider, and you can slide it like this. But if you click on tab, you will see over here men and women, all the categories will show up over here. I have only 2 categories, that's why it's showing up as this one. But let's say if someone ended up on this page and that person is a man, they are going to click on men and they are going to see all the products related to that. But if they are women, obviously they are going to click on women and all the products will be shown like this. I'm just going with this one for this tutorial. Click on content settings. We have content styling over here. You can go ahead and click on style 2 if you want. We have style 3 if you want. And there are some things which changes, but there are some things which remain the same because there is nothing to change. So just remember that. We have title HTML tag. If you want to change that, you can also do that. We have a hide title, hide price. If you want to hide price, you can also do that. We have hide category, but obviously we don't need to do that. We have hide category before border. We have hide rating. If you want to hide ratings, you can also do that. So these are some content settings. They are showing you which you want to add or not. So we have action buttons as well. What are the action buttons? On the right side, you can see on each thumbnail we have quick view and add to cart. So they can go ahead and take advantage of this, any customer, if they are willing to buy this one. We have on the left side style 1. This is going to be style 2. Let's see how it's going to be look like. And we have style 3 as well over here. So you can hover over it and you can go with the normally. So obviously if you click on hover, this will not show up like this, but if you hover over it, it will pop up like this. So I'm just going with this one. This looks good in my opinion. We can set the position as well. Obviously we have show add to cart button text. If you want to add that, you can also do that. We have image settings, single image slider, gallery tab. Depend on you how many image you have. I'm just going with a single image because this is all about category. We have countdown settings, show countdown timer. If you want to add that, you can also do that. Styling is all about styling. You can set the styling for anything over here. We can set the margin if you want. So what is margin? Let me show you. This is the margin, but I'm just going to go with the default one. We have padding as well. As you can see, we can change that from over here. You can see how it's going to be look like. I'm just going to show you every single thing which is very important to create your own content. Very good in my opinion. We have badge color. We have typography of the product categories. You can also set that as well. We have background badge color as well from over here. You can also do that. So there's a lot of stuff in the styling of this section which you can use for. We have action button styling as well. So we all know what is action button. These are the action button. You can also play around. I think this looks good in my opinion, and leave it as it is. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. Just click on over here. We have tab menu style. If you want to change that, you can also do that. So once you are happy with the product page over here, as you can see, product category page, by the way, you can just click on publish from over here. But before you go further, just click on responsive mode and you will see all the responsive mode. Just click on tablet and check it out how it's going to be look like on tablet. And if there's something wrong, just go ahead and start editing as well, because sometimes it will be messed up. So here you can see on mobile, it will show up like this. So you can go ahead and start editing this as well. So this will look better and at the same page like this one over here. So make sure to go ahead and start playing around. And once you've done all of that, make sure to click on publish and this page will be published for you. So this is how you are going to create product category page in WooCommerce Elementor. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.